How to add subtitle on Canva. Today I'll show you guys how you can easily add any kind of subtitle on Canva. So let's just jump right in. First thing you have to do is go to canva.com and go to the video that you want to add subtitle on. So I'm going to show you guys how you can do it manually. So the first thing I'm going to do is go to upload and create a project. So I'm going to create a video project right here, create a mobile video. And from here, I'll just go ahead and upload the video to my Canva first. So let's just wait for it to load. Go to upload, click on upload files. I'll just upload your video. It's on my downloads, so let me just go ahead and quickly import the video. Alright, so once your video has been imported, just drag and drop it here and make sure to fit it on the screen. So here it fits. I'm going to drag it a bit to make it fit. All right, so once that is done, all you need to do now is just start playing the video. So let me quickly turn on my desktop audio so that you guys can hear as well. So
all right,
it's right now speaking, so that's the AI voice. So let me just quickly turn on desktop audio. Now, if I just start playing this,
I'm ready whenever you are.
it says, all right, I'm ready whenever you are. So let me just play the video again.
All right, I'm ready whenever you are.
So I'm going to add the subtitle for this. So what you can do is add text. So you can go to audio and click on new to add a page. You can add page type, and in order to add text, you can go up here and then simply click on the text. So I'm going to go to this text option and choose a subheading for the font and subtitle. So I'm going to type in all right. Let me just share one more time.
All right, I'm ready whenever you are.
So it says, all right, I'm ready whenever you are. So let me just quickly edit the text. So let me just make it longer. Go here. All right, I'm ready whenever you are. So adjust the size of the text if you want, or you could just do a little bit of body text for this and adjust the subtitle. And now you can add different kind of fonts, add a text box, and different kind of tools like making it bold, making all of your text bold like this. And once that is done, just play it again. And once you have done that, you're good to go. So just go ahead and split the audio next time. So I'm going to play
Where
it
you are.
whenever you are, and I'm going to split the video right here. So go ahead and click on the split page option. Now it has split the video. I'm going to go here on the start of this audio again and delete this text, delete this again, and I'm going to edit this. So let's play it again. So I'm going to play it from this part.
Got it. Let me know when you're ready for me to start.
So it says, got it. Let me know when you're ready to start. So you could do the same thing, add a text, type in your subtitle. Got it. Let me know when you're ready. So it was something like this. I'm not going to play it right now. So let me just type in, got it. Let me know when you are ready. So type in something like this and just keep splitting whenever you want to change your subtitle and you'll be good to go.
You are.
So
Got it. Let me know when you're ready for me to start.
that's pretty much it, guys. That's how you basically add subtitle on Canva. If you found this helpful, be sure to like the video and subscribe. I'll catch you guys on the next one.